We're going to see if WD-40 works better than toothpaste. I had just made a quick video. This one's going to be quick too. I used some toothpaste on there, and it looks a little bit better than it did before, but I can still see that there's a haze buildup on there. And granted, these lenses on this car are, oh, I don't know, 15 years old, 12, 15 years old maybe even more. No, probably about that. Okay, so I'm going to take just some WD-40 on here. I could have just wiped it on my rag. I got just a paper towel. Okay, how much cleaner that is over here than that side. Haven't done that other side yet. Okay, and let's just keep wiping some more of that on, shall we? Look how clean that looks. Man, it hardly took anything. But don't kid yourself. With WD-40, you've got a thin layer of film on there now. When that layer of film dries and wipes off, chances are you may see the haze some more. Now see, here's her other light lens. You can see it's very hazy and dull. Okay, boy, this is gonna surprise my mom when she comes out here. My mother, like no other, my mother. Okay, look at that. I don't know how long it's going to last, but we'll soon find out. A little dab will do you on your WD-40. And that could last for a few months or longer. And if you need to do it again, wipe some more on there. Eventually, you're going to get it soaked up into the little creases and crevices that had created that fogging material, and it could make it so that it doesn't do it as bad once that WD-40 dries on there. Look how clean those are now. I think my mother's gonna be impressed. Headlights, clean headlights. Cross that off my list.